Jen Hedden here. I am back. I am the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method and my new Freedom Membership, an anti-inflammatory membership, super affordable, and the home of the Sugar Freedom Method. Now, I always say before I talk about today's fantastic topic, which happens to be, Jen, why are detoxes not good? Because we hear mixed reviews, and I'm about to share, my take on detoxes. But I always say, if you're not a subscriber and you love my work, please do so. The button is somewhere below this video. Okay, now, please know, 20 years as a health coach, I am not saying if you do a detox or a cleanse, don't do one. But what I am saying is that typically the mentality of the person that does a detox or a cleanse, for me, it's not a healthy mentality, number one. Number two, a lot of times the body is not prepared to handle a detoxification. And so what happens is what the body is trying to detox, unfortunately, gets reabsorbed back into the bloodstream, back into the cells, and you are actually worse off than when you started. So let's go through number one, this mentality that I find that is super unhealthy. Okay, so what I find is we'll get these weekend warriors, people who say, gosh, I've been so bad. I just need to do something good for myself. I need to stop eating garbage. And so they use a detox as a stopping point of eating junk. What we haven't done is fixed our lifestyle habits. So nothing is going to change long term. What we're going to do is temporarily stop taking in garbage, stop drinking the wine, the alcohol, the cheese, the bread, all my favorite stuff, yeah? We're going to stop taking in the chocolate. We're going to stop taking this stuff in for a small amount of time. But what we have not done is made a lifestyle change, right? Is putting ourselves first, is learning how to not crave the stuff that inflames us, okay? That is the stuff I do with my coaches in the Sugar Freedom Method, a lifestyle change. That, my friends, is how you get permanent weight loss and permanent health changes in the right direction. So that's number one, why I don't love detoxes. The mindset of the person that's doing it is not a healthy one. Now, number two, the issue I have with detoxes is, oh God, help us all, seriously. So many people come to me, Jen, I did a detox. It was great for the 7 days or the 10 days, and now I feel worse. Or they started doing it, their bowels have completely stopped up, and now whatever the body is trying to release, it cannot, because the primary detoxification system, our bowels, our elimination system isn't working properly. And now those toxins are sitting, against our large intestine, and they're not being released. And now they're being reabsorbed, which, my friends, is not a good thing. Also, if you happen to have chronic constipation, we're in trouble here, okay? Your elimination system is not functioning properly, and a cleanse does not fix that, okay? It's similar to what I said before. When you start to do a cleanse, if you do not have healthy bowels and you're constipated or you become constipated, now we've got a bigger issue, okay? Now everything that's flooding out of your cells is not able to leave your body in a healthy fashion, and it is reabsorbing. Very, very, very bad for the system, very bad. So that is why I do not believe in these detoxes, these cleanses, unless you're under my care, unless you're under a naturopath or a doctor's care and someone is monitoring, what your bowels are doing, what is going on, if you're able to sleep, how much water you're drinking, are you on any sort of supplementation to help the facilitation of the toxins to leave your body. If not, I do not recommend you do a cleanse on your own. It's just not something to experiment with. Okay, if you have any questions, please hit me up. Leave me a comment. I am happy to answer it. And in the meantime, I hope what I shared today was super helpful. And with all due respect, I saved someone's life, because so many things go on down the line from these what seem to be healthy green tea detoxes, smoothie things that we do, and they really do more damage than good. So thank you for being here. As always, if you'd love to subscribe, please do so. I love watching my community grow, and I love sharing my wisdom as a 20+ year certified holistic health coach. All right, I'll talk to you again soon.